Good morning, Frank Macias Elementary School. Welcome back after a 3-day weekend. My name is Mr. Ryan. Today is Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. You are watching the best elementary news program in the galaxy. Ooh.
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
We hope our Eagles understand why we had an extra day off of school yesterday on Monday. It was Martin Luther King Jr. Day. We celebrated the memory of the amazing civil rights leader. Not only are we honoring Martin Luther King Jr. this week, we are also celebrating the inauguration of President Joe Biden on Wednesday. Teachers, look for an email that Ms. Goranson sent. It has links to some amazing resources from Clint's instructional department. There are ideas about project choice and a lot of links that you can take advantage of for these two big events this week. FME families, don't forget about our monthly Coffee with the Principal. Of course, it's virtual. It is taking place today, Tuesday, January 19th at 8:30 a.m. The link is available on Class Dojo, so all of our FME families are invited to participate. Again, the Google Meet link is on Class Dojo. The meeting will begin at 8:30 a.m. We again want to remind our Eagles who are coming to campus for in-person learning, please remember to bring all of your materials. This does include your water bottles. Next up, I want to remind everybody that if you're having trouble logging into Amplify through Clever, you can go straight to the link that is on the screen and you can choose the login with Google option. Please let Mr. Jimenez know right away if any of your students are having trouble, teachers. We want to make sure that they're able to log into Amplify and get in all those minutes this week. Eagles, don't forget that this is B week for music and library classes. So let's take a look at the schedules. First up, let's look at our music classes for Tuesday, starting with Miss Chavez, 5th grade. We've got Miss Hawkins, Miss Contreras, Miss Parks, Miss Klemp, Miss Alvarado, and Miss Lopez. Again, today is B week music, and these are your classes. And for library, we're starting off with Miss Gallo. Then we have Miss Espinosa, Miss Kian, Miss Marquez, Miss Rangel and Esparza for 2nd grade, Miss Sainz, 1st grade, Mr. Robles and Miss Ayala Kinder, and then our group with Mr. Juarez, Miss Mancil, and Miss Diaz. See you guys in library today. Eagles, don't forget that today is the deadline to turn in your snow globes. Miss Lisa Alarcon, the amazing paraprofessional with Mr. Juarez, is putting together the bulletin board for us. It's going to be in the main hallway, and we want to display all your amazing work. So if you still have not picked up a copy of the snow globe paper, they are in the blue box in the front of the school. Please return them to Frank Macias today so we can include your picture on our bulletin board. Great job, Eagles. Frank Macias, we promised we were going to share what our next attendance competition is going to be. And wait for it. It's going to be a root beer float party for those grade levels that get 15 days of 98% attendance. Good luck, Eagles, on this new contest. Tomorrow we will update you with the attendance from last week and see where our classes stand.
Hi, Eagles. How do we fly? Respectful, responsible, safe, kind. Eagle's heart and eagle's mind. Spread your wings and wash your hands and put on your mask and spread your wings. Bye-bye, I know you know it!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
And a very happy Taco Tuesday birthday go out to 2 fourth graders, Matthew Acosta and Edwin Chavez. Happy birthday, you guys. Well, this concludes our news for this Tuesday, January 19th. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to this pre-recorded broadcast. We will be back live tomorrow, and I believe somebody very special is going to be in the house. Mr. V is in the house. Mr. V is in the house. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.